Muravardhana K. Assistant Professor of Commerce, Vani Government First Aid College, review. That is now talking about equated monthly installments, or symbolically we can call it as EMI. Nowadays, become a crucial part of our life. Crucial, nothing but a very important part of life. We have all learnt living our life on credit, whether be it a businessman taking loan to run his business or household to buy a car. Even everyone has become dependent on sustaining their life and fulfilling wishes with the help of this loan. But when the amount has been borrowed, then it has to be returned to. And now, not just the principal loan amount, but some interest as well as interest plays a very significant role in our life. It is deciding factor what whether or not loan has to be taken or not. As higher the interest, then higher amount that has to be repaid. Now, after the loan has been taken, it could either be returned along with the interest in a lump sum, or after some specified period of time. It can also be recovered in the form of installments, some kind in which some amount of interest along with the principal sum is repaid at some time intervals. Currently, all major finance lending institutions such as banks etc. recover their loan through EMI, that is equated monthly installments. Today in this blog we will discuss how to calculate these installments considering various different factors and cases. Interest charged on the loan can be of any type, either simple interest or compound interest. Through we have discussed regarding it, but some revision sake. Simple interest is a one where interest once credited does not earn interest on it. In order to calculate the simple interest equals P into T into R divided by 100. P is principal amount, T is time, R is rate of interest. Compound interest is where interest earning itself. Interest, it is the most common form of interest that is being charged nowadays. Compound interest equals P into 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power of n. Equated monthly installment is fixed payment amount made by a borrower to a lender at a specified date each calendar month. Equated monthly installments are used to pay off both interest and principal each month, so that so that a specified number of years over a specified number of years the loan is paid off in full. Equated monthly installment for repayment of the loan amount over a fixed duration. EMI have two components: principal amount and interest amount. Principal amount and interest amount. Principal amount paid back on the total loan amount received avoid, and interest amount is additional to it, paid as the paid as, as the cost to the lender for availing the benefits of loan. How are EMIs calculated? EMIs are calculated on a flat or reducing balance interest rate. Calculation calculation of EMI with the help of two methods. One will be flat interest rate. Under this, interest calculated on the initial loan amount that you availed, and this is applicable for throughout the loan tenure. Hence, the interest is same for all months. Flat rate is generally applied for car to an EMI calculator. The mathematical formula for calculate EMI for this method would be EMI equals principal plus interest divided by period in months. Second one, reducing balance interest rate. Under this, interest is calculated on the remaining or outstanding balance of the loan amount initially availed. Hence, the interest is different for different months. The mathematical formula for to calculate EMI for reducing balance method would be EMI equals bracket big bracket P into R into 1 plus R to the power of n divided by big bracket flower bracket small bracket 1 plus R to the power of n. You can close small bracket and flower bracket minus 1. You can close big bracket. Here P is principal loan amount, R is rate of interest on monthly basis, and N is the tenure or the loan duration months. Calculation of EMI example for both the methods. For better understanding, let us consider the following example and calculate EMI for both methods. Suppose Rohan borrows a sum of rupees 1.5 lakh, 15 lakhs at interest rate of 10% for a tenure of 3 years. The yearly interest would be INR 15 lakh, and hence the interest for 3 years would be INR 45,000. Based on the calculation for this using flat interest rate, EMI calculator would be EMI equals 15 lakh plus 45,000 divided by 36, that is equal to 54 5416.67. For the same example, we calculate using the reducing EMI calculator. EMI equals start big bracket 1,50,000 into 10 divided by 100 star 12 small bracket closed into small bracket 1.0083 close the small bracket star 36 divided by big bracket flower bracket small bracket 1.0083 to the power of 36. So flower bracket close minus 1 big bracket close, that is equal to flower bracket 1250 into 1.3482 divided by 0.3482, that is equal to 4840. Moreover, under the reducing balance method, the principal amount already paid gets deducted for the calculation interest rate of the subsequent period. Hence, the interest is charged on the new balance, and this make the reducing balance method much more economical than the flat rate method.